the Frito Bandito. It's a delicious mixture of onions, barbecue sauce, and chili cheese Fritos. It's Meatless Monday, y'all, so let's make a Frito Bandito toaster. With 1 pack of Impossible meat, you can get 4 good-sized patties out of it. Use the Blackstone parchment paper so it doesn't stick to your burger press. Season it up with your favorite barbecue seasoning, and once you flip it, top it with some cheese. Sprinkle some water around your burgers and top it with a dome to allow the cheese to melt. Onto the Frito portion of the Frito Bandito, I blended up some of those chili cheese Fritos and mix it in some butter to make a compound butter to put on the outside of my Texas toast. For the onions, I took a thinly sliced white onion and dredged it in a mixture of flour, seltzer water, and some of that Blackstone Essential Blend seasoning. Using that compound butter on the outside of the Texas toast gave it a good crust with an amazing flavor. Finish it off with your favorite barbecue sauce and some more of those chili cheese Fritos. To find more delicious recipes like this and more, visit blackstoneproducts.com.